Fifi, you know you're not supposed to be on the couch. Go on, get.
Has this ever happened to you? Hi, I'm Tim Timberman and I'm introducing Fix Your Dog. At Fix Your Dog, we don't just train your dogs, we sophisticate them. Not satisfied with a crummy old dog? We'll upgrade him with our list of attachments, including rocket launcher, pistols, cactus hands? That's not right. Garbage disposal, and much more. Don't believe me? Then listen to our satisfied customers.
I love Fix Your Dog. I used to have an old pathetic dog, but now I have an old pathetic cooler. There's my soda. Thanks, Fix Your Dog.
I used to be bullied, but thanks to Fix Your Dog, they will never bully me again.
So, what are you waiting for? Buy it now! Come on. Please buy one. This is the only thing keeping me from bankruptcy. Please buy one. Please, I have children.